short video, we are going to discuss what are red muscles and what are white muscles. Alright, how are muscles classified as red muscles and white muscles? Now, like there is hemoglobin in the blood, hemoglobin is the oxygen carrying pigment in the blood. Because of hemoglobin, the blood has the red color. Similarly, there is myoglobin in the muscle. So, myoglobin is the oxygen storing pigment inside a muscle. And this myoglobin, it gives the muscle a reddish appearance. This myoglobin, it gives the muscle a reddish color. So, जितना ज़्यादा myoglobin रहेगा एक muscle में, see more the myoglobin, more the red appearance of the muscle, ऐसे muscle को बोलेंगे red muscle. Comparative to this, if the muscle has less myoglobin, less oxygen storing pigment inside it, it will have less reddish appearance or it will have a pale appearance. Such muscles will be called white muscles. So mainly red because of the red color. This red color is because of the presence of myoglobin. White because of the pale appearance when there is less myoglobin. Alright, so more myoglobin, more red appearance, the muscle will appear red. We call it red muscle. Less myoglobin, less reddish appearance or pale appearance, we call it white muscle. मायोग्लोबिन जितना ज़्यादा रहेगा मसल उतनी देर तक एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म कर सकेगा. इट कैन वर्क फॉर लॉन्गर पीरियड्स बिकॉज इट विल हैव मोर ऑक्सीजन. सी यू हैव टू को रिलेट. जितना ज़्यादा ऑक्सीजन रहेगा muscle will be able to perform activity for a longer period of time. So see now, this is red muscle, this is a mixed muscle, and this is white muscle. So in the red muscle, you will appreciate that all the muscle fibers, they are rich in myoglobin, hence the red appearance. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि रेड मसल में वाइट फाइबर्स नहीं रहेंगे, बट मेजॉरिटी रेड रहेंगे तो अपीयरेंस रेड आएगा. मिक्स्ड मसल में देखो, there is equal amounts of red fibers and white fibers. So such a muscle will be called mixed muscle. See this white muscle now. There is more amount of white fibers and less red muscle fibers. So it will have a pale appearance. It will have a whitish appearance. So there will be more myoglobin here. There will be less myoglobin over here in the white muscle. So now, अगर रेड मसल है तो इट विल हैव मोर मायोग्लोबिन, रेडिश अपीयरेंस देगा. अगर रेड मसल्स मेजॉरिटी में है तो उसको रेड मसल बोलेंगे. ऐसा नहीं है कि रेड मसल में वाइट मसल फाइबर्स नहीं रहेंगे, रहेंगे, बट रेड मसल्स मेजॉरिटी में रहेंगे, रेड फाइबर्स. वाइट फाइबर्स मेजॉरिटी में है तो वो वाइट मसल होगा. दिस वाइट मसल इज गोइंग टू हैव लेस मायोग्लोबिन, सो इट विल बी लेस रेडिश और पेल इन कलर. So you are going to make this differentiating chart between the red muscle fiber and the white muscle fiber. So red muscle fibers are type of skeletal muscle which are dense with capillaries, they have rich blood supply and they are rich in myoglobin and mitochondria. Myoglobin ज़्यादा है, mitochondria ज़्यादा है, because there is more oxygen. Now mitochondria are going to utilize this oxygen to produce ATP. So there is more oxygen, there is more mitochondria. See, the second point is the amount of mitochondria. It will be more in the red muscle fibers. Myoglobin भी ज़्यादा, mitochondria भी ज़्यादा. White muscle fibers में कम myoglobin, lower amount of myoglobin, and comparatively less mitochondria as compared to the red muscle fibers. Now the second point is the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Red muscles will have reduced quantities of sarcoplasmic reticulum because इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा मायोग्लोबिन और माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया पैक्ड अप है, तो सार्कोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम कम रहेगा रेड मसल फाइबर्स में. What is stored inside the sarcoplasmic reticulum? Calcium is stored. So the calcium will be less because the sarcoplasmic reticulum is less. ये majority myoglobin और mitochondria से packed है. So in comparison, the white muscles will have more of sarcoplasmic reticulum. Now let us see fatigue. कौन सा मसल जल्दी थक जाएगा, the red one or the white one? Obviously the white one because उसके पास ऑक्सीजन कम है, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया कम है. So red muscles can perform aerobic oxidation without accumulating much lactic acid. इनमें एरोबिक ऑक्सीडेशन होगा बिकॉज ऑक्सीजन इज प्रेजेंट, सो एरोबिक ब्रेकडाउन होगा, लैक्टिक एसिड ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूस नहीं होगा. दे कैन वर्क फॉर लॉन्गर पीरियड्स ऑफ टाइम, दे कैन रिमेन कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर लॉन्गर पीरियड्स ऑफ टाइम. वेयर एज वाइट मसल फाइबर्स में ऑक्सीजन कम है, एनोरोबिक ऑक्सीडेशन होगा, अक्यूमुलेशन होगा लैक्टिक एसिड का इन द मसल्स, एंड हेंस they will get fatigued, they will get exhausted after short periods of contraction. थोड़ा रेस भाग के थक जाएंगे. अगर आपको मैराथन रन करना है, नाउ व्हाट इज अ मैराथन? इट इज अ लॉन्ग रेस, 10 किलोमीटर्स, 20 किलोमीटर्स. सो रेड मसल फाइबर्स लगेंगे. वाइट मसल फाइबर्स दे विल गेट टायर्ड इजीली, बहुत सारा लैक्टिक एसिड जमा हो जाएगा मसल में, सो इट विल स्टार्ट पेनिंग. ऑलराइट, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द रेट ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. रेड मसल फाइबर्स का स्लो रहेगा रेट ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन, बट प्रोलॉन्ग्ड रहेगा. दे कैन वर्क फॉर लॉन्गर पीरियड्स ऑफ टाइम. रेट ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन थोड़ा स्लो रहेगा. वाइट मसल फाइबर्स में द रेट ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन विल बी फास्ट, बट दे विल गेट टायर्ड easily. Examples are all your extensor muscles. आपका hand, when you're doing your flexion extension, your knees, your biceps, triceps, all these muscles are examples of red muscle fibers. Whereas in your eyes, now move your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes, the rate of contraction is fast, but those muscles will get tired very easily. They'll get fatigued very easily. Alright, so these are the differentiating points between the red muscle fiber and the white muscle fiber, which you have to remember for the MCQs. So now what we will do is, we will write these points in one single line. See, you write down red muscle, and write down all the points related to the red muscle for your MCQs in one single line or one single paragraph. So more myoglobin, more mitochondria, they will not get fatigued easily, they are aerobic muscles, less sarcoplasmic reticulum, less lactic acid formation, and the rate of contraction is slow. So I've just summarized all these points in one line. For the white muscle, इस सब का opposite होगा. Less myoglobin, less mitochondria, fatigue easily, anaerobic, more sarcoplasmic reticulum, more lactic acid formation, and the rate of contraction is fast. So if you keep these points segregated like this, it's easier for you to revise and solve all your MCQs related to the red muscles and the white muscles. So see, this is a red muscle. Majority आपको red दिखेगा. Alright, जैसे chicken legs में, in a chicken meat, the leg parts will have the red muscle fibers. So see the appearance of the red muscle. Contrary to this, see the appearance of the white muscle. It will have pale or whitish appearance. So that is how we differentiate between red muscles and white muscles. Alright, so longer duration के लिए long race भागनी है, marathon भागना है, rate of contraction slow होगा. Now see, this is the cross section of a red muscle fiber. ज़्यादा muscles आपको, ज़्यादा fibers आपको red दिखेंगे, कम white दिखेंगे. So it can be contracted for prolonged periods of time. You can run a marathon, but sprint race भागना है आपको, only 10 meters, 100 meters, 50 meters. So white muscle fibers, they can contract very fast, but ये fatigue भी जल्दी हो जाएंगे. So that is how we compare the red muscle fiber which are present, which are in majority in the red muscles, and the white muscle fibers which are in majority in the white muscles. So this is all about red muscle fibers and white muscle fibers, or the red muscle in total or the white muscle in total.